Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about Telos EVM, which has amazing staking, ultra fast speeds and reliable costs. Everything I say on this channel is financial advice, so always go away and do your own research before investing any of your own money. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. So guys, jumping across to telos.net, as always, link down below in the description, so make sure you go and check it out after this video. Home to the fastest EVM. If you're wondering what EVM is, it means Ethereum, a virtual machine. Telos is faster, cost-effective, greener, as well as being honest. Beyond function, we are leading the way for a better Web3 environment. Now, previously, you know that Ethereum has struggled from extremely expensive gas fees, and one day you could be paying perhaps like $5 for a transaction, and then the very next day, hit by a transaction cost of around $180 or even more, which is crazy if you were, say, buying a NFT or something like that, and you were trying to move an amount of money that was less than the actual transaction fees, which previously did happen. So what is cool about Telos is it's fast and scalable. It's been battle tested with 10,000 transactions per second and 0.5 blocks. No gas fees on the native and insignificant fees on EVM to keep spammers away. It's decentralized. Our block producers are located around the world and cannot be owned by the same entity. There's also no front running, eco-friendly, and it's community governed. You can see that it's already available to trade and swap on places like Huobi, KuCoin, PancakeSwap, SushiSwap, etc. It allows for powerful apps to be built into a growing ecosystem. The blockchain reimagining what's possible. Telos is faster, cheaper, greener, and honest. Telos also allows to build powerful apps into a growing ecosystem, and there's a little video here shows you a little bit more in-depth information on what Telos can offer to you. Smart contracts we support. You can see Telos EVM, which is the first compatible blockchain built on the EOSIO. Deploy and run your Ethereum apps using Telos EVM for the most performant and secure DeFi available today, as well as Telos NATIVE on the C++ smart contracts. At the moment, these are tons of different projects that are all being built over on the Telos platform. And what's cool here, we can see a blockchain with integrity. It's all comparisons being made. In terms of transactions per second, we've got Solana here with 8,000, which is rapid. But Telos is already doing 10,000 transactions compared with Solana's, and Ethereum only doing 20 transactions per second. In terms of like the energy that costs, you can see that's 0.0004 terawatt hours per year, compared with Ethereum's 49 and Solana's 0.17. All very, very cool indeed. As you can see, guys, it's about being environmentally friendly as well as many other things. Now, what you can do if you want to get involved in Telos, and come down to this part, which is Telos EVM. This is all linked down below in the description, guys. So all you need to do is open a MetaMask account, and then you can import the Telos EVM RPC. Then you can import the Telos EVM RPC, and that's going to allow you to import Telos onto your MetaMask. And here you can see you can come down in order to purchase Telos tokens depending on whatever currency you want to use. Also, I've already discussed above all the exchanges and things available. And once you've bought Telos, you can then go across and stake it. Now, if you've been in crypto a while, you might know what staking is. If you don't know, well, basically when a new coin or something comes out, in order to secure liquidity or in order to secure funds for future development, they'll offer people who've bought into the platform the ability to stake for a particular reward. And usually if you stake for a longer period of time, you're likely to get a bigger reward, and depending on the demands, etc., you could also see incredible rewards. However, they do tend to have a few days in which you have before you can go and withdraw it. But right now, because the cryptocurrency market is very low down, in my opinion, it's quite a good time to be buying coins and staking them, because you're going to be able to earn a percentage yield on that particular coin, which, say, for example, in Ethereum, if Ethereum is currently worth around $1,300 at the time of making this video, and it goes up to $4,800, but you can see here you're making 3 to 4% on whatever you're putting into that coin right now. Then you have a potential later down the line, when it's 4 or 5 times the value of current price, to actually be earning more like sort of 20 to 30%, give or take, depending on the amount Ethereum goes up. But what we can see down below, we've got Telos, Avalanche, Binance, Ethereum, Polygon, Solana, and we can see that they are being operated here by different people. And then the APY, which stands for annual percentage yield, is the amount that you will receive in rewards for staking a particular token or coin. Here you can see the percentage yield for Telos is at 13%, Avalanche at 7%, and then obviously it goes on. Unstaked period, 10 days. So that means that if I want to stake Telos, it's then going to take me 10 days to unstake it if I ever want to remove it. So the risk obviously there, if Telos goes down significantly in value and I want to be able to take it out or withdraw it, it's going to take me 10 days to do so, which is probably kind of a good thing, because by then, if it's taken a big drop towards the downside, things tend to recover a little bit, and it takes us away from making emotional decisions. Coming up to the tabs in the top, then you can see that there's a few different things here, like community resources. We're just going to check out things like governance as well as tokenomics. So Telos governance documentation, here's all the information about how this basically works and all the kind of like the regulation and things behind it. Now obviously there's a lot of information here and it's quite detailed, so I don't want to go and waste your time and dive into that, but if you want to, guys, check it out. It's all linked down below. Also jumping across to the tokenomics, which is extremely important, understanding the value of Telos. Well, tokenomic highlights you can see have been happening over time, but in terms of what we're looking at here, there's a circulating supply at the moment of 243 million tokens with 112 remaining. There will also be a new circulation of less than 4.1 million per month, which does mean it's an inflationary asset. Obviously it will rely on a lot more people kind of getting involved into the system in order to see the price of Telos increasing over a period of time. Down below you can see all of the information about the economics and things like that if you want to delve into even more details on this. And then all you need to do, guys, is click on learn, come across to a knowledge base. Now you're probably wondering, once you've got hold of your Telos in your MetaMask or wherever it is, how you then go ahead and stake it. Well, there's a few guides here, guys. All you got to do is click on the knowledge base and that will bring you across to this page here, and then you can click on how to stake Telos. A simple example gives you a detailed video here on how to do that. Method one, you can use either Telos Explorer or you can use other things like the REX page here, and you can come down through and find whatever it is most suitable for your needs. Coming across to the Telos Foundation page then, guys, you can scroll down through and you can see they've already been pretty well established. They've been around for a few years. There's lots of links available here for their Discord and other things if you want to check them out. There's various updates and things happening all the time on here, as well as various rewards. So if you want to get involved in any of that, then make sure you sign up to the Twitter, which is linked down below in the description. So jumping across to the team page then, this shows some excellent transparency. When you're investing in new projects, guys, never invest in projects to people who are not prepared to show their faces. What's cool to see here is we've got various faces and we've got the LinkedIn profiles for each of these individuals. So all you need to do is click on those and then you can go and find out a little bit more about them. You can see this is a pretty well established team. It's pretty large and there's a lot of different moving parts, as you'd expect with a larger project. Also, if you want to go and look at potentially getting jobs in crypto, then they also have careers available here. So go across, guys. If you want to find out more information on each of these individuals, then you can click on their LinkedIn and find out a little bit more about them. Coming over into the ecosystem then, guys, you can see tons of different features available here. We're just going to check out Area X NFT, and that brings us across to the largest and most popular NFT marketplace on the Telos blockchain. Very similar look right now to what you might find on OpenSea. Coming down below, guys, you've got all the hot NFTs featured right now on this particular platform. You can come through, you can find various different articles and stuff like that. If you want to click on a particular NFT project, this one here is Potato Man, and then click on the individual NFTs, very much like you'd find on OpenSea in terms of the kind of like appearance. And then there's like various different features here. Here you can see all offers make offers, so if you want to purchase these NFTs, all you got to do is connect your wallet up here and then you have access to do that. Coming down into the ecosystem then, guys, there's tons of different dApps and things available here. You've got things like Dex Screener, other things like KeyFi, which allows you to track, manage and deploy your capital intelligently across DeFi. Other things like growth hacking for crypto startups. Rubik here is a multi-chain swap protocol that enables users to complete swaps with their 15,000 guys. Tons and tons of different stuff here. Get in, take a look at the Telos.net ecosystem. All of it can be found down through the link in the description, along with the NFT marketplace and so much more. So in summary, Telos is an Ethereum virtual machine, which is significantly faster, significantly cheaper, more transparent, and as well as that, better for the environment than existing blockchains like Ethereum, Avalanche, Solana, etc. If you want to go and find out more about anything I've talked about today, everything is linked down below in the description. Remember, you can get up to 13% annual percentage yield by staking your Telos either through MetaMask or through the wallet on the platform itself. Head across to check it out, guys. If you've enjoyed today's video, then make sure you smash the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks very much for doing that. And if you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about Web3, crypto, or NFTs, then make sure you subscribe to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye-bye.